Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is a bustling metropolis offering a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Known for its stunning cityscape, Tokyo is a must-see destination for travelers looking for an unforgettable experience. Aerial footage captured from a drone gives a full view of the city's diverse neighborhoods, bustling streets, and stunning panorama of the city from above. Tokyo's landscape is characterized by high-rise buildings and iconic landmarks such as Tokyo Tower and Tokyo Skytree. The city's architecture seamlessly blends traditional Japanese elements with modern design to create a visually exciting atmosphere. Tokyo is also a center of tourism, attracting millions of visitors each year. With its rich history and cultural heritage, there are countless attractions to explore. For those who appreciate art and culture, Tokyo offers a wide range of museums, galleries, and theaters showcasing both traditional Japanese art and contemporary works. The city also hosts numerous festivals throughout the year celebrating Japan's rich cultural heritage. In conclusion, Tokyo's charming landscape combined with its rich cultural heritage makes it an ideal destination for travelers looking for an unforgettable experience. Whether you are interested in exploring historical sites or modern entertainment, Tokyo has something to offer every visitor.